Hello YouTube, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of Christian books, self-help books out there for you, all kinds of wonderful stuff on Amazon for you. Next time you're on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue, pull up all those wonderful options, add some to cart that are appealing to you, get those in transit right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you, good stuff that'll change your life. Anyway, today I'm going to go over a book I'd recently published called Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart. Today's lesson is about sustaining resilience for the future. Life's challenges can shake us to our core, but the ability to rise again, resilience, is what sets the stage for growth, transformation, and enduring success. Building resilience is not just about bouncing back from adversity, it's about sustaining the strength to face future challenges with courage and hope. This exploration focuses on developing the habits, mindsets, and tools that will prepare you for future trials while empowering you to remain motivated and hopeful even during the darkest times. The foundation of resilience. Resilience is not an inherent trait, but a skill that can be cultivated over time. It involves emotional, mental, and even physical preparedness to weather life's storms and emerge stronger. Understanding resilience as a process. Resilience is not about avoiding pain, but learning to navigate through it. It's a combination of emotional agility, a positive outlook, and the ability to find meaning in adversity. Actionable insight. Shift your perspective on hardships rather than asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this, and how can it strengthen me? Building a strong foundation. The ability to sustain resilience starts with creating a solid foundation of awareness, mindfulness, and intentional habits that support your mental and emotional health. Actionable insight. Dedicate time to self-reflection and personal development. Practices like journaling, meditation, and mindfulness can help you maintain clarity and focus. Habits for sustaining resilience. Number 1, cultivating emotional agility. Emotional agility is the capacity to acknowledge and process your emotions without becoming overwhelmed by them. It allows you to adapt and respond effectively to stressors. Actionable advice. Name your emotions when they arise, whether it's fear, anger, or sadness, and validate them without judgment. Practice grounding techniques like deep breathing or visualization to stay present and avoid emotional spirals. 2, practicing gratitude daily. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, reinforcing a sense of abundance and positivity. Actionable advice. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, even during difficult times. Number 3, prioritizing self-care. Self-care is not indulgence. It's a necessity for maintaining resilience. Caring for your body and mind equips you to handle future challenges more effectively. Actionable advice. Ensure a balanced lifestyle with adequate sleep, nutrition, and exercise. Incorporate relaxation activities like yoga, nature walks, and reading. Number 4, setting boundaries. Establishing healthy boundaries protects your energy and mental well-being, especially in challenging times. Actionable advice. Learn to say no to commitments that drain you. Limit interactions with toxic individuals or environments. Mindsets that foster resilience. The right mindset is key to sustaining resilience. It allows you to see challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. Number 1, embracing a growth mindset. A growth mindset encourages you to view setbacks as stepping stones to greater understanding and capability. Actionable advice. Reframe failures as lessons. After a setback, ask yourself, what did this experience teach me and how can I apply it moving forward? Number 2, fostering optimism. Optimism isn't blind positivity. It's the belief that better days lie ahead, coupled with a determination to work toward them. Actionable advice. Practice realistic optimism by focusing on what's within your control and letting go of what isn't. Use affirmations like, I have the strength to navigate this challenge. Number 3, maintaining flexibility. Life rarely unfolds as planned. Resilient individuals remain adaptable and open to change, allowing them to pivot when necessary. Actionable advice. Keep a plan B mindset. Be willing to explore alternative routes toward your goals, remaining hopeful in tough times. Hope is the anchor that keeps you steady during life's storms. It fuels motivation and prevents despair, even when circumstances seem dire. Number 1, finding meaning in adversity. One of the most powerful ways to sustain hope is to find meaning in your struggles. When you connect your pain to a higher purpose, you create a sense of direction. Actionable advice reflects on how overcoming your challenges can inspire or benefit others. Imagine the legacy you want to leave behind. Number 2, focusing on small wins. Big goals can feel overwhelming, especially during tough times. Celebrating small wins keeps your momentum alive. Actionable advice. Breaking your goals into manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, as progress toward a greater outcome. Number 3, surrounding yourself with supportive people. The people you surround yourself with play a crucial role in sustaining your hope and resilience. Positive relationships provide encouragement, accountability, and a sense of belonging. Actionable advice. Reach out to trusted friends, mentors, and support groups during difficult times. Avoid individuals who drain your energy or reinforce negativity. Empowering your comeback story. Resilience is not just about surviving adversity, it's about thriving beyond it. Your comeback story is a testament to your strength and determination to rebuild and rewrite your life. Number 1, owning your narrative. You are the author of your life story. By framing your experiences as chapters in your growth, you take control of the narrative. Actionable advice. Reflect on how you've overcome past challenges and use that evidence to bolster your confidence in facing the future. Number 2, sharing your story. Your comeback story has the potential to inspire others. Sharing your journey fosters connection and reminds you of how far you've come. Actionable advice. Look for opportunities to share your story, whether through writing, public speaking, or conversations with those who may need encouragement. Preparing for future challenges. True resilience involves not only recovering from past difficulties, but also preparing for what lies ahead. Number 1, building a toolkit for resilience. Equip yourself with strategies and resources that you can draw upon during future trials. Actionable advice. Develop a list of coping mechanisms that work for you, such as exercise, meditation, and creative outlets. Identify a resilience team of people who you can turn to for support. Number 2, staying proactive. Rather than waiting for challenges to arise, take proactive steps to build a life that fosters stability and growth. Actionable advice. Set goals that align with your values and create a roadmap for achieving them. Regularly assess your progress and adjust as needed. How to rewrite your life after setbacks. Rewriting your life after setbacks involves reclaiming your power, redefining your goals, and embracing a renewed sense of purpose. Number 1, reflecting on your journey. Take time to process what you've been through and lessons it has taught you. Actionable advice. Write about your experiences, focusing on how they've shaped your values, priorities, and strengths. Number 2, defining your vision. Use your reflections to create a vision for the future. The vision should encompass not only your goals, but also the kind of person you want to become. Actionable advice. Write a life mission statement that captures your purpose and aspirations. Number 3, take inspired action. Once you've defined your vision, take consistent steps to bring it to life. Actionable advice. Create a daily routine that supports your goals and values. Regularly revisit your vision and stay motivated and focused. Conclusion. Sustaining resilience is a lifelong journey of growth, reflection, and intentionality. By cultivating the right habits, embracing empowering mindsets, and remaining hopeful, even in tough times, you can rise from any setback and build a life of meaning and fulfillment. Your comeback story is not just about recovering from the past, it's about rewriting your future. As you prepare for the challenges ahead, remember that resilience is a skill you can develop and strengthen. With each step forward, you prove that setbacks are not the end of the road or the story, but the beginning of a new chapter. Through self-awareness, purpose-driven actions, and commitment to growth, you have the power to sustain resilience and create a legacy of strength, hope, and transformation. Rising from the ashes, you can build a life that reflects your deepest values, aspirations, and potential. All right, that concludes today's lesson. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Please share this series with someone that might appreciate it. Again, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books. Tons of great books out there for you. Next time you're on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue. Pull up all the wonderful options. There's tons of Christian books, self-help books out there. You can scroll down through them. There's tons of them. Add some to cart. Get those in transit right away in your life. There's life-changing wisdom there for you. You're definitely going to want. Again, thank you for following me through the video series. Have a blessed day. We'll talk to you on the next series.